We're almost at the end of our journey today, this morning, for Chickster's morning walk. And it's kind of a cool day today. Chicken got a big walk. We left at around 5:30 and it's 7 a.m. So, and we're probably going to be another um, another 10 minutes, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So it's overall walk time today is going to be about an hour and 45 minutes. And he doesn't want to go back. Look, Arm, here he is, like pulling me to go away from our destination here. Man, the life of the dog. And after this walk, he's going to go to sleep the whole morning. And maybe he'll get up for his lunch walk. I, I don't know. We shall see. And then let's see what happens. If he does, I'm going to post another lunch walk video. But only time will tell. It's Thursday. He has no rush. He wants to smell. He wants to take his time. Basically, he can stretch a 5 minute walk to a 15, 20 minute walk. I don't know. I'm pretty sure other dogs do the same. All right.